Meaning of dislocation.
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 Dislocation. Dislocation refers to the displacement or separation of a bone from its normal position in a joint. This typically occurs due to a traumatic injury or excessive force applied to the joint. When a dislocation occurs, the affected joint may become visibly deformed, swollen, and painful. The person may also experience difficulty moving the affected joint or using it at all. Left untreated, dislocations can lead to chronic pain, instability, and joint damage. Treatment typically involves reducing the dislocation, immobilizing the joint, and engaging in physical therapy to restore range of motion and strength.